Animals in Danger by Patricia Ann Lynch. Animals in danger. What animals do you see every day? Do you see squirrels? Do you see birds? How would you feel if these animals were gone forever? Would you miss them? Many animals are in danger. They could die out or never live on Earth again. These animals would be extinct. Some animals are already extinct. There is still time for others, though. And here's some more good news. You can help save animals that are at risk. These animals have already died out. Dodo, passenger pigeon. These animals are in danger. Mountain gorilla, Bengal tiger, blue whale. What can hurt animals? Why are animals in danger of extinction? Unfortunately, there are lots of reasons, and sadly, most of these reasons have to do with people. Giant pandas eat little besides bamboo. If the bamboo disappears, they will starve. Some animals are hunted. When too many are killed, they become extinct. Other animals lose their homes because people are spreading out. People often build houses where animals live. Then the animals may have no place to go. Dirty air and water are problems too. Without clean air to breathe and water to drink, animals can die. People are the cause of many animals losing their homes. Kids can help. It's a fact that people cause a lot of problems for animals, but people can help animals too. Kids like you are doing a lot to save animals. One project is called Teaching Kids to Care. The group has contacted schools to teach kids about animals that are at risk and what they can do to help. Then the kids work to protect animals. Baby turtles are fun to watch. At one school in New Jersey, kids help to save sea turtles. The turtles cross a road to lay their eggs in sand, but then birds and other animals often eat the eggs. So the students collect the turtles' eggs and protect them until they hatch. Then they take them up to the sea. Schools can teach kids how to help animals. Adopt a whale. There are lots of other ways to help save animals. Some groups ask people to adopt an animal. People give what they can afford to help take care of the animal. You can do this. You and an adult can stand outside a store and ask customers to give money to save a whale or other creature. You might earn enough to adopt a whale. Don't worry, the whale won't live with you. It will stay out in the ocean, and the money will be used to protect it. Many people work hard to save whales. How to help. Can you figure out a way to help animals? Here are some ideas. Don't litter. Help clean up your block if you live in a city. Pick up trash. Respect the land and animals. Raise money for groups that help animals. Working at a pet shelter is a good way to help save animals.